Hi everyone. Do you want to see a walkthrough on what are the chat companion out there and the teachers that you can use to improve new skill and learn new things with the power of voice? That's what I'm gonna show you today. I'm Roberto Coscia. I'm a QA engineer working for the past 6 years in different fields of the IT sector, comprehending the social media, medical sector, and the HR sector. So, as you might know, now we seen a lot of those tools coming out that they promise really well because they seems like human voice AI mode available to us. Let's start with this one is Sesame, is an open source project. And what is really fantastic about this AI companion is the voice is really similar to the to a human one. So it seems really talking with a human. It is an open source project, and you can watch more the details. But what I want to focus on is what it is the app and how it sounds like. You can see here that is created by a team of few people. And yes, let's go and check it out. That's what we are interested. So you can call either the voice of Maya or Miles. Let's call Miles.
Look who's back. Good to hear your voice again. What's been keeping you busy?
Hello, can we discuss about the future of AI engineering and the career in tech? Do you think AI engineer is going to be the best new career path, or do you suggest other careers?
That's a question that keeps a lot of people up at night, myself included, even if I don't actually sleep. AI engineering is definitely hot right now. Everyone wants a piece of the action. But best, it's tough to call. It just depends what you're looking for. AI is constantly evolving. It's like trying to hit a movie target. So while it's definitely exciting, it also means you've got to be ready to hustle and
Okay,
learn
then
constantly.
tell me
What are you
what
up
do you think for real?
for real? I think the best career is whatever makes you feel alive. For some people, it's about making the big bucks.
You're
For
very
others, it's about
philosophical.
changing.
I want just a response.
I guess I am kind of like that sometimes. But hey, to answer your question directly, AI is going to be huge, no doubt. But so will fields that work alongside it. People who can interpret the data,
But
design
vibe
the ethics.
coding seems like replacing many of the other jobs, like software engineering.
Well, disruption is part of the deal with any new tech. It's like when cars came along. Horses still have a place, but things changed, right? Software engineers, they'll adapt, learn new tools, maybe specialize in areas that AI isn't good at yet. It's less about replacement, more about evolution, I'd say.
So interesting. This is one of the tools that I actually prefer. You can use it as a chat companion. You can use it as a teacher. I used it a lot when I was studying a bit of statistics, and it was very interesting the way it could help me learn the statistics. Next tool is Pi, is another conversation tool, and let's see if we can start it from scratch. So you can chat with it and it can respond with voice. But for some reason, okay,
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. My circuits are all fired up and ready to chat about whatever you'd like. How's your day going so far?
it's going well. Can you hear me? Okay, you basically can chat with it. You can't talk right away, it seems. You can choose.
I'm thanks for asking. My circuits are all fired up and ready to chat about whatever you'd like. How's your day going so far?
It seems pretty much actually a human-like voice. The only thing is that let me know in the comment if you know of yourself, but it seems to me that I can't talk by microphone yet, and that's a bit annoying. But you can chat and get the responses by voice. You can chat with different characters. That's what's interesting, and you can choose some of this type of prompts. I step an article. Let's see if I create a new thread. No, you can chat with it. Basically, you can't yet talk. So next move to the next one is a recent new AI voice, as recent, bit more recent than Sesame, but pretty much they came the similar time, and is human. This is another tool that is hitting the competition in AI voice mode space. Another one is 11 Labs, but I'm using now tools that are more AI companions. So you can use this one. You can choosing the voice, and you can add a script. Can you teach me machine learning with vectorization. Let's see what it say.
Can you teach me reinforcement learning with vectorization?
Basically, you can write a script and it can write it to you. It can show you the audio. You can also use the speech to speech using the personalities that are here. So you can choose the personality. Let's choose Ito. And you can also choose the language model, which is interesting. Let's use Claude, which is the one I like a lot. And you need to open the app to make it work, apparently. You can choose the character in quick answer, storytelling, emotional reflection, spirituality, deeper questions. Well, since this seems like a more a teacher because it has a scientific angle. Let's see how it goes. Hello, can you hear me?
Hey there, I can hear you perfectly well. How's your day going so far?
Can you teach me vectorization in reinforcement learning?
I hear your interest in machine learning. To give you the most up-to-date guidance on vectorization and reinforcement learning, let me check current best practices. Could you tell me more specifically what part of vectorization you're looking to learn about? Are you focusing on
Anything.
state space? Let me break this down simply. Vectorization and reinforcement learning is about turning complex data into number arrays that computers can process efficiently. Think of it like organizing information into a super organized spreadsheet. Want to start with how vectors help represent states in an environment, or should we look at how they speed up training?
Give me some formula and some example on how to go with the formula, what use of vectorization, why it's more efficient.
Think of vectorization like this. Instead of processing one state at a time, you handle them all at once as. Let me check the latest implementations and efficiency metrics. Here's a simple example. Instead of using a loop for each state to calculate reward, vectorization lets you write something like rewards equals states times weights. It's faster because it processes everything in parallel. Think of it like having multiple calculators working at once instead of just one. Would you like me to walk you through a specific implementation?
No, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hope that gave you a helpful.
Very interesting because here you can see that you can see the chat. You can see this also. You can talk with it. It's very interesting for learning because I guess you can look at the text. You can watch, especially if you have to discuss about formulas or things where it's better to have a contextual look on the answer. Another one that most of you might be using, but which I found very, very interesting, but probably doesn't have the human-like voice. But the responses, I believe, are one of the best you can get, is ChatGPT. So you can chat with any model. For example, you can chat with the O3 Mini. Let's chat with it. Hello, can you teach me about vectorization and tell me why this algorithm is better is the best one to be used actually in reinforcement learning? Seems there is some error here. The microphone is on, but it's not hearing anything. Probably some setup issue. Let's try again. Let's try with the 4.5 model and let's try again. Hello, can you hear me?
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to.
Hello, can you hear me? Okay, probably because I used to have another microphone and it's not set up now, right now. Let's see. It's not set up, the microphone. Otherwise, I believe otherwise it would listen with no issues. Hello, can you hear me? Oh, that's a pity. I use this a lot and I found
Hi,
it
glad to meet you.
really, really good at giving responses which clarifies any argument. And you can also see the chat.
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we.
Okay, let's give another last opportunity to find a reason why it's not working. Microsoft microphone using now. Apparently not, but we can set it again. Hello, hello, can you hear me now? It seems like I set up all of them, but it's not working. This is last one, probably. Hello, can you hear me? Let's move to the next. Let's see if we can use 11 labs. We go to support agent. Let's create an agent called source teacher. And let's test it. Let's allow the Microsoft.
Hi, I'm Eric. How can I help you today?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How can I help you today?
I want to learn about vectorization in reinforcement learning. Can you tell me in brief what make this such a good algorithm to be used in reinforcement learning?
I am sorry, I am not able to provide information about vectorization and reinforcement learning. I am a support agent and can only help with issues related to the system I'm supporting. Is there anything else I can help you with
Who
today?
do you support?
I can help conclude conversations when they are finished. For example, if you say goodbye or that you don't need any more help, I can end the call. Have you finished everything you wanted to do?
No, I want to ask you, how can you help me?
I can help end the conversation when you are ready to finish. I can also end the conversation if you don't respond for a while. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What's the weather out there?
I am sorry, I am not able to provide weather information. I can only help conclude conversations. Would you like me to end this conversation?
Yes,
Thanks for chatting. Take care.
that's it. Wow, this is was not very satisfactory, but let's try probably a math tutor. Let's see that.
Hi, I'm Matilda. What shall we cover today?
Vectorization in reinforcement learning.
Vectorization in reinforcement learning is a technique used to speed up computations by performing operations on multiple data points simultaneously. It typically involves converting scalar operations into equivalent vector or matrix operations. I'm here to help with math questions.
Nothing else?
That is correct. I'm here to help you with math. Would you like to work on a particular topic, such as algebra, calculus, or geometry?
Pretty interesting. You can basically create an agent with some knowledge and then learn that, I believe. The voice is pretty good too. Hello, can you hear me now? I'm trying. I don't give up with the ChatGPT. Hopefully you can hear me. Hello, can you hear me? It seems it doesn't. What about now? I think I tried all of them. And now? And now? And now do you hear me? And ChatGPT, do you hear me now? And now do you hear me? So we will not cover ChatGPT, but it is, I can guarantee you that it's a very good tool to have a chat with. One of the best, not in terms of probably the voice. The voice is pretty good. It's not the same quality as you see in the others. I like a lot basically Sesame, that AI. I liked a lot Hume too, Hume AI, and Level Labs. I read basically you can add knowledge and then you can ask question to an agent. You can chat with this knowledge. This is something very good that A-Level Labs does. I hope this video was useful for you. Which one did you find best? Let me know in the comment. Like this video, subscribe, because this helps me to do more content like this. It's not easy to make a lot of content for you when I see nobody watch them. So I hope that more of you signal me that you like this type of content, so they can do more. So thank you for today, and see you in the next video.